Today I'm here with a very exciting topic. Today we are going to learn difference between simple present and simple past. और हम ये भी सीखेंगे कि simple present और simple past में sentence कैसे बनाया जाता है. Basically, we are going to talk about the SVO. I hope you all are familiar with the SVO, but let me talk briefly about the SVO. What is SVO? So SVO is the subject, verb, and object. So for a complete sentence, it's a combination of subject, verb, and object. So let's start from simple present tense. Simple present tense means it tells or specifies the time where the action is happening, and if it's present tense, so definitely it's about any action that is happening in present. So let's start. We can say the hack to keep in mind how we can practice simple present tense is with verb form we use S and ES. This is the indication which tells you it is a simple present tense. For say, let's make a sentence with me. He go or goes. It's a big confusion for most of the students most of the time. Go के साथ S आएगा या ES आएगा. So according to the subject verb agreement, and one thing that I've already shared in my previous video, with third person singulars we use S or ES. So with he we write goes. He goes to school. Right? So for simple present tense, let's repeat the concept once again. With the subject and with the verb, we use S or ES. And only it is used with the singulars like he, she, or it. We use S or ES. Let's talk about simple past tense. Again, we are concerned with the sentence structure, and that is SVO. Subject, verb, and object. And one hack that you can simply keep in mind for remembering about the simple past tense, the verb ends in ed. Or we can say we always use second form of verb in simple past tense. But at times it's a wrong concept if I only say that you have to keep in mind कि verb के आखिर में ed आएगा. It's not important. For say, few verbs we have regular and irregular verbs. And let's talk about one irregular verb. If we say, he goes to school, so we can't say he goed to school. It's wrong. We will say, he went school in the simple past tense. So let me repeat the concept once again. The hack to remember the difference between the simple present and simple past. With the verb form, we use S and ES. And in simple past, the hack is second form of verb is used. Now, one thing that is missing in the simple present and the simple past tense, there is no helping verb. Not in the simple present, not in the simple past. So how we are going to make interrogative sentences? That's a question. Let's talk about some of the interrogative questions. For say, if you have to change the same statement into a question statement. So how are you going to say that? For that, in simple present tense, we use do and does. वो स्कूल जाता है. क्या वो स्कूल गया? So we will say, does he go or goes to school? So there is a rule here. With do or does, we always use the base form of the verb. And the base form is the first form of the verb. So we say, does he go to school? And with interrogative statements, we always use question mark. Same goes for the simple past tense. As in simple past tense, there is no helping verb before verb. So in interrogative sentences, the question statement, we use a verb form that is did. Let's make a sentence. He went to school or he went school. Did he go or went? Again, with these, we use the first form of verb, and that is called the base form. So did he go to school? It is a mistake that people usually make. They say, did he went to school? So whenever we are using do or does, or we are using did, so always remember do, does or did के साथ आप हमेशा verb की first form use करेंगे. That is also called base form. So that's all for today's session. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. See you again with another important topic. Till then, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.